Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the link is intact and not cut off in chat or email. A missing character breaks the URL. Once done, open it in a fresh browser profile or incognito window to bypass extensions that block scripts. Also, test on a different network or mobile data to exclude DNS or firewall issues. Sometimes corporate or public networks block Google Forms. These quick checks separate simple client problems from deeper permissions or form configuration issues. Next, review how the form is shared. If it's restricted to a domain or specific accounts, you'll get a blank or error page. Open the form editor as the owner to confirm it's not trashed or set to private. Make sure the form doesn't require Google sign-in when respondents can't sign in. If it does, either change to anyone with link or instruct users to sign in. Also check quota or response limits. Once reached, the form stops accepting responses and may appear inaccessible. To finish, clear cache and cookies and update your browser. Stale data often causes loading failures. If the form still misbehaves, the owner can duplicate it. Copying a corrupted form usually restores functionality and export responses before making changes. Once you've created a fresh link, test it in multiple environments, then share. If problems persist, contact your Google Workspace admin. They can check domain policies, API blocks, or account restrictions that prevent access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.